okay? Bella, calm down. Okay, Silva. Alright. I had 75%. Okay now? I said not to put the bag on top of the crate because it's just going to get the crate wet and the crate's not going to dry off. Put the bag. Just on top of like the thing where we make the fire but like don't catch the crate on fire. No. Okay, so are you good now? You're okay. Kind of stay here, bud. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, bud, we gotta stay in there because you just got murdered. And case cold and whatnot. We gotta. Okay. Yep, your bone. Dingo stick. Okay, Bella, you can get one too. There you go. You happy now? You good now, Silva? Okay, good.